welcome to this week's blog. This week's a special week. I have no power, as you might have guessed, so we're actually doing this by iPhone torchlight, which is a little bit different. But anyway, today we're going to talk about whether you've considered investing in commercial property. When comparing investment in commercial property versus residential property, there are some pros and cons to be aware of. With commercial property, there are three types you could consider: retail, office, or industrial. Each type has unique characteristics. However, the following guidelines can be applied to all three. A residential property might have average rental returns of 3 to 5% per annum, whereas commercial properties can have significantly greater rental returns of between 7 and 10% per annum. However, commercial properties don't grow in value the way that residential properties do. Commercial properties are more susceptible to the economic environment, hence in a downturn, demand for commercial properties reduces. Usually investment in commercial properties is for rental income rather than capital gains. Rental income on commercial properties tend to be more stable as leases tend to be 3, 5 or 10 years in duration. On the flip side, when a commercial property is vacant, it can take much longer to find new tenants. Instead of a week or two, it can take months to find a replacement. However, if you are looking at buying premises for your own business, owning the property will mean you will always be aware of what the tenant and the landlord are planning. Commercial tenants are also responsible for all customisations, council rates, maintenance, property management fees, etc. This can mean lower maintenance costs for a landlord. Commercial properties can cost from a few $100,000 to tens of millions of dollars. Lending transactions can be more complicated and take longer than a residential purchase. So make sure you have spoken to your accountant and your financial advisor before buying. If you're interested in arranging finance for a commercial property, give me a call to help you navigate the road to achieve your goals.